Guys, I just wanted to take a moment to kind of reflect. I'm not sure if this camera can pick it up. I think it is, but I'm not really too sure. 55 subscribers now. 55. That's crazy to me, because if I had 55 people in a room, that'd be a lot of people. So we got 55 subscribers, 16.5 thousand views, 422 likes. That's wild to me. If, like, for real, if I had 55 people in a room, that'd be a lot of people. And it was like 2 weeks ago I posted something on the YouTube community post with 43 subscribers, and I was like, yeah, we got to get these subscribers up. That's like 12 subscribers in 2 weeks. That's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. So thank y'all. I mean, let's keep on growing. Let's see what happens. That's insane though. 55. It's almost 100. Go ahead and I'll show off the rest of it too. I mean, hopefully it can see it. I don't think it's focusing, but the Instagram, it's the same tag as YouTube, just ZACCHBRAY. We are at 708 followers and 8.4 thousand views in the last 30 days. That's pretty dope. The TikTok, same tag as Instagram, 269 followers. We got 1,031 likes, like overall, you know, the whole entire thing. That's pretty dope. Facebook, I'm not even sure. Snapchat, I just started, don't even know about those, but those numbers for me, having just started this thing not too long ago and posting, I'd say that's pretty good, and we're growing. I'm just out here to get some night POV, trying to test these settings that I got. I was watching some other YouTube videos, low-key, trying to figure out different settings for different situations. I got some like preset GoPro settings for indoor / like low light situations. I've got some set for outdoor, like everyday stuff, and then one for POV as well. I'm using the POV setting right now, and I've got it cranked up a little bit on the white balance to kind of help out with night light and stuff, and you know, we'll see how this goes. I briefly looked at the preview to see kind of how it looks. It looked okay. Hopefully I've got the camera angle set up properly. But other than that, I am gonna be chilling so that y'all can enjoy this nighttime POV drive. Alright, y'all, let's see what happens. I never played lottery. So, you know, if we can make that $1 million right there, that'd be dope. But I highly doubt it because, like I said, I don't play the lottery. I normally lose if I do. So, we shall find out, I suppose. Homeboy thought he was quick. Not. Alright, y'all. If you watched that and you got to the end, thank you very much for watching it. I am now home, safe and sound. And I'm going to edit this stuff, see if those settings were working pretty good, and scratch some Lotto tickets, because why not? But that's it. That's the video. Thanks for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever. See ya.